Hello, welcome to Parallel Thinking. So in this exercise, we're going to look at your company through the lens of Edward de Bono's thinking hats. If you've never heard of this before, don't worry, let me explain. So the thinking hats exercise was developed to help teams think about problems from different perspectives. So everybody has a natural tendency to fit with one hat or the other. You'll probably recognise yourself or your colleagues in one of these categories. So you might be very creative, or you might be a bit risk averse, or you might be guided by your gut instincts. And all these perspectives are useful, but forcing yourself to think about a problem from all perspectives just opens your eyes to new ideas and possibilities and lets everybody's voice be heard. So a brief overview of all the thinking hats is probably useful. So the white hat is all about information. So this is about not being swayed by thoughts and opinions. It's about seeing the world through evidence, and if there isn't any, making a note that there's a job to be done to find out more information. So what do you know for sure about your company, its products, your team, your customers, and what don't you know? Where are the gaps? The red hat is all about your gut instincts and feelings. So what are your instant reactions to the question or the problem? So what are your gut instincts about who you are and who you should serve? Are there fears about the future? Is there excitement or uncertainty? How do you feel about where you are and where you're going? The yellow hat is all about optimism and brightness. It's taking a positive approach and looking for the good in everything. So you might ask, what are we brilliant at? Or how could that spread further than it does already? Who else can we influence in this positive way? What brightness can we bring to the world? And how might we be able to achieve that? So the green hat is all about creativity. What are the possibilities? So what are new concepts or products that we could develop? How could we turn what we already do into something else or serve a new audience? The black hat is about risk and threats. So what are the risks to your company from doing certain things? What are the cracks in any of the ideas or thoughts that the other hats have thrown up? What could go wrong? So the best place to start is with the white hat. So everyone puts that on virtually, or in reality. You can actually go and find different hats and put them on if that's helpful. Then think about your company from the point of view of what information you know about your culture, products, services, and who they are for. We've listed some questions to ask while you're wearing each hat to help you as you go. Great, let's go.